Welcome traders to the NinjaTrader Indicator Warehouse. So today we're looking at acceleration bands. These do a great job of identifying fast-moving stocks that are moving quickly in either direction and are especially good at determining when to be aggressive in a volatile market. They work with any chart type, i.e. tick, Renko, minute, and when used in combination with systems like DTS, the diversified trading system, they can help you increase your profits and reduce the risk of getting your stop run by telling you when to be aggressive and when not to be. So let's take a look at how to use this now. Okay, so here we have an upper band and a lower band enveloping a midline. And you can configure the period for the midline, and the bands are equidistant from that midline. And as I mentioned, this is a great indicator for determining when to be aggressive. And what we're looking for are fast-moving stocks that are accelerating outside of the normal trading zone that you see here. Now, when there are two consecutive closes outside of these bands, this is an indicator that the stock is accelerating in a particular direction. And it's at this point when the market has essentially stepped on the gas. Now, when a single bar closes inside the bands, this is a sign to tighten up your stops and take your profit. Now, if you're an options trader, this is a great tool to help you identify when a stock has gone parabolic. And since we're always fighting time decay, it's important to identify fast-moving stocks. So let's take a look at how to set this up in the parameters box now. Okay, traders, here we're going to take a look at the parameters box. First, I'm going to right-click on my charts. Then I'm going to left-click on indicators. Here we're going to find the TW acceleration bands indicator. I'm going to click there. And over here on the right-hand side, we have our parameters box. So here is the period or length. You can configure this. And then down below, you can also configure the lines, the upper and the lower bands, as well as the midpoint. So you can configure the color, the thickness, and the style of the line. As I mentioned, this is an extremely easy indicator to use. So let's just go ahead and make one simple change here. I'll make this a dash line, and we'll make this thickness of maybe 3. Let's go ahead and apply our changes and take a look at what we have. So as you can see, we have one slight modification that we've made. Here we have the midline, and then we have the upper and then the lower bands. Okay, so this simple indicator is going to do a great job of helping you identify those fast-moving stocks. They're going to help you identify when to be aggressive in a volatile market. And when you use these in combination with other systems, again, as I mentioned, the DTS or diversified trading system, they're going to help you increase your profits and reduce the risk of getting stopped out. So again, very simple to use, very easy indicator that is going to be a great tool for any trader's toolkit. And remember, whether you are day trading the E-mini S&P, other futures contracts, or Forex, Indicator Warehouse will help you get more profit from your online trading and technical analysis efforts. Thank you for joining us.